Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss Chapter 10 Surface Areas and Volumes, Exercise 10.3, 6th question. The question is the height of a tent is 9 meters, its base diameter is 24 meters. What is its slant height? Find the cost of canvas cloth required if it cost rupees 14 per square meter. Okay now students, so from this question I am going to write the data. Given the height of a tent is equals to 9 meters and its base diameter is equals to 24 meters. Okay students, now the height of a tent is equals to 9 meter, its base diameter is 24 meter. So tent is in the shape of a what? Tent a shape lo undi, cone shape lo undi. Okay na, so like this. Okay na, clearly here given the height of the tent is what na? Height h is given 9 meters and diameter, the base diameter is given, diameter is equals to 24 meters. Then I want radius is equals to, that is diameter by 2 means 24 meters by 2 means 2 ones are 2 12s are. So radius is equals to 12 meters. Okay, so this is what nana? L means what nana? This is slant height. Okay, now see, I want a slant height. First of all, slant height, that is what nana? L is equals to under root of h square plus r square. Slant height L is equals to what nana? Under root of h square plus r square. Now h square means the value of h, and that is the height of a tent is equals to 9 meters. So that is what nana? 9 whole square plus r square means what ra? The value of r is 12 meters. So 12 whole square, that is equals to under root of 9 square means 81 plus 12 square means that is 144. So after adding 81 plus 144, 4 plus 1 5, 4 plus 8 12, so that is what nana? 225 student. So L is equals to, the slant height L is equals to under root of 225 means what nana? That is 15. Yes, now we know the value L. Now I want the curved surface area. Okay, now the cost of canvas cloth required if it cost rupees 14 per square meter. So I want to find the curved surface area. Curved surface area, CSA of a tent means that is what ra? Cone is equals to pi r L square units. Okay, pi means we know the value of pi is what nana? That is 22 by 7 into r. Radius, the base radius is what nana? That is 12 into L. Slant height, that is what ra? That is 15. Units what nana? Meters icharu kabatti square units means that is square meters. Now ikkada cancellation anedi possible avutunda? No. So that's why we just multiply 22 into 12 and 12 into 15. Okay, pass. Okay students, now 22 into 12 means what nana? 22 into 12 means that is 264. Again 264 into 15. So 264 into 15 means that is 3960. So we can write here 3960 square meters. Okay, now in given data, the cost of canvas cloth required, if it cost rupees 14 for square 1 square meter. Okay, now for 1 square meter cost is equals to what, nana? Rupees 14. So here how many square meters are there? 3960 square meters are there. So that's why the cost of canvas cloth, the cost of canvas cloth required cost required is equals to, that is what, nana? 3960 into, for 1 square meter the cost is what, nana? Rupees 14. Okay, so 3960 into 14 means what, nana? That is 55,440. So this is the cost for the canvas cloth for 1 square meter is equals to rupees 14. Okay students, now fifth question. The question is, from a circle of radius 15 centimeter, a sector with angle 216 degrees is cut out, and its bounding radii are bent so as to form a cone. Find its volume. So for example, I'm drawing circle like this, a circle with center O. Okay, now we know from center to any point on the circle, this is radius. Okay, again from center to any point on the circle, this is also radius. Okay, now clearly O A Y B, O A Y B, this is what, nana? This is sector. Okay, so what is the angle here? A sector with angle what, nana? 216 degrees. Okay, so particular ga ee part ni cut chesaru. Okay na, is cut out and its bounding radii. So from center to on any point on the circle, so this is radius, and OA and OB, clearly these two are radius. ఇది కట్ చేసిన తర్వాత if we fold like this, మనకి ఏ షేప్లో వస్తుంది? ఇది కోన్ షేప్లో వస్తుంది. సో క్లియర్గా కోన్ షేప్లో వచ్చేస్తే దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఆర్క్ యాక్చువల్లీ. ఓకేనా, ఏ వై B, this is what, nana? Arc. So the length of the arc is equals to base of a cone. The arc em avutundi nana? Base of a cone avutundi. Okay, so its height is equals to what, nana? That is slant height. Okay students, now OAYB, it is what, nana? Sector. So here a sector with angle what, nana? 260 degrees. So given data, given the radius of a sector is equals to 15 centimeter, and a sector with angle, that is equals to 216 degrees, means that is what, nana? You can take it as a x degrees. So I want the length of the arc, this is what, nana? So particularly this shape, this is what, this is arc. I want a length of the arc. Length of the arc is equals to, that is x degrees by 360 degrees into 2 pi r. This is the length of arc formula. So here x degrees means what, Nana? That is 216 degrees. 216 degrees by 360 degrees into 2 pi r. Okay na? So children, here I am going to cancel using 4 table. 4 9s are 36 means 4 90s are. Again 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. 4 4s are 16. Okay, next I am using 9 table. 9 10s are 90. 9 6s are 54. Using 2 table, 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. So we can write the length of the arc is equals to, okay, the length of arc is equals to 3 by 5 into 2 pi r. Okay, so according to the given question, children, so if we cut like this, ఈ OA OB ని కట్ చేస్తే మనకు పర్టికులర్గా ఒక షేప్ వచ్చేస్తుంది, సెక్టార్ షేప్. ఈ సెక్టార్ షేప్ని బౌండింగ్ చేస్తే ఇట్స్ ఫార్మ్ ఏ కోన్. ఏం ఫామ్ అవుతుంది నాన్న? కోన్. అంటే ఎస్పెషల్లీ ద ఆర్క్ ఆఫ్ ద లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ద ఆర్క్, దిస్ ఈస్ ద బేస్ ఆఫ్ ఏ, the base perimeter of a cone. The base perimeter of a cone. So you to write like that only. The length of a arc is equals to perimeter of a, the base perimeter. Otherwise you write like this, base perimeter of a cone. Okay, so ఈ కోన్ బేస్ పెరిమీటర్ అంటే ఈ కోన్ బేస్ ఏ షేప్ లో ఉంది? సర్కిల్ షేప్ లో ఉంది. ఆ పెరిమీటర్ అంటే దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ సర్కంఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ సర్కిల్, మీన్స్ దట్ ఈస్ 2 pi r. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ చూడండి? ఇక్కడ ద బేస్, కోన్ బేస్ వచ్చేసి మనకి సర్కిల్ షేప్ లో ఉంది. వాట్ ఈస్ ఇట్స్ పెరిమీటర్? Perimeter is nothing but circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle and that is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r and the base perimeter of a cone is equals to the length of a arc. Length of a arc means what, Nana? That is 3 by 5 into 2 pi r. Is it clear? Now see here, that is ఇక్కడ పై cancel. Okay, because of pi is equals to 22 by 7, here also pi is equals to 22 by cancel. R cancel. 2 cancel. Simply the length of a arc or the base perimeter of a cone is equals to what, Nana? That is 3 by 5 will come. So I want the radius of a cone. Radius of a cone is equals to, that is 3 by 5 of the radius of a sector. Okay, so that is 5 1s are 5 3s are, so that is what, 9 meters will come. Okay, so I want to find the volume. Volume means, first of all I want the volume of a cone is equals to 1 by 3rd pi r square h. I want h. See clearly, before going to find the h, first of all we want to find a slant height. Okay, so slant height is equals to, the slant height is equals to, that is 15 centimeters, because of here given the radius of a sector. The radius of a sector is equals to what, Nana? 15 centimeter. The radius of a sector is 15 centimeter. So ఇది ఇలా కట్ చేసి మనకి కోన్ షేప్ లో ఫామ్ అయితే, the radius of a sector, it is act as a slant height. Okay, so that's why I'm writing here the slant height is equals to 15 centimeters. Now the radius of a cone is equals to what, Nana? 9 meters. and the slant height is equals to what, Nana? 15 centimeters. Sorry, 15 meters. Okay. Height is equals to what, Nana? Under root of L square minus R square. This is the formula. When we know the slant height and the radius of a cone, how to find the height, Nana? Height is equals to under root of L square minus R square. L square means that is 15 whole square minus R square means that is 9 whole square. So H is equals to under root of 15 whole square means that is 225 minus 9 whole square means that is 81. So H is equals to under root of 225 minus 81 ante that is 144. So H is equals to root 144 means what, Anna? That is 12. Okay. So now I want the volume of a cone. So volume of a cone is equals to what, Nana? Volume of a cone, that is equals to 1 by 3rd pi r square h cubic units. Okay, so 1 by 3rd into pi means that is 22 by 7 into r square. The value of radius is 9 meters. So r square means that is 9 square into h.
12.
Height is equals to what, Nana? That is 12. Now by doing 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 9 whole square means that is 81 into 12. Okay. Now using 7 table. 7 table is not possible. Using 3 table. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 sevens are 21. Means 3 ones are 3 27s are 81. Okay. Now 22 into 27 into 12. 22 by 7. So you can multiply.
Okay.
Okay, students. Now 22 into 27. 22 into 27 means that is 594 will come. Again 594 into 12 means that is 7128. So I am writing 7128 by 7. Okay. So I am going to cancel. దీన్ని క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తే మనకి పర్టికులర్గా వాల్యూమ్ అనేది వచ్చేస్తుంది. Okay, students. So now 7128 by 7 cancel చేస్తే మనకి పర్టికులర్గా we get 1018.285 approximately వచ్చేస్తుంది. So the volume of a cone, therefore the volume of a cone is equals to 1018.285 cubic meters. Okay, now students. So this is the required answer for the question. Thank you.